What a peaceful night, here by myself listening to classical music on my brand new radio. So calm, relaxing, and beautiful.
Oh god! Oh god! Ah! Vanoss? Are you okay? Vanoss? Where you at?
So, I heard you built this house with your bare hands.
Yeah, it took me 5 years to build this house. I hand painted it. It's beautiful.
I could see you used high quality materials. It's a nice open concept, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. It's just, you know, it's made for like burglars and stuff. Like,
What?
I mean, they see this and they're gonna be like, nah, I'm not going in there. It's too easy.
Yeah. The reverse psychology. I like the backyard.
Yeah,
it's not really much to it yet.
Beautiful backyard. Vanoss, look.
What?
I don't want you to panic, okay?
Okay, I'm not panicking.
Don't panic.
I'm not panicking. Jesus.
Don't fucking panic.
Why?
Turn around.
Oh god. Oh god, get inside! Get inside! Get inside! I'm sorry, I panicked. Oh god.
Go downstairs.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Go!
What's going on?
Oh god!
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. We're not gonna die, Delirious. We're not gonna die.
Oh god. I'm going upstairs. Come check it. My fucking house! No! What happened to my house?
Is your house okay?
No, not okay.
It's not that bad, man. We can easily repair this.
Everything's gone. No! Fuck this house. Fuck this house. I'm building from scratch.
Alright, before we build your house, I have to take a poop, so be patient.
No time for taking shit. I gotta use the bathroom.
Shut up.
There's a tornado coming. I swear to God.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit!
I'm still sitting on the toilet. I'm taking a shit still. I'm dedicated to this poop, man. I really gotta go. I'm constipated and I'm scared. I know you're the one who went to IKEA to buy this piece, but, you know, you could have took in consideration the size of my fucking head. Jesus.
What's that sound? What the fuck is that sound, Venom?
I don't know. Just try to go to sleep, okay? I got a big day at work tomorrow. I'm gonna be jumping on a lot of Goombas and holy shit! Just stay calm. Stay calm. Just stay calm. No, we're not. No, oh my god. Oh, just close your eyes and everything is gonna be fine. Everything is going to be fine. This is just a bad dream. This is just a bad dream. Welcome to VanossGaming Army Surplus.
Oh my god, I love the selection.
We have a large selection of weapons, explosives.
Oh, that's fucking... Oh my god, you got the branded...
Oh my god, you got the brand new kapow! Alright, sir, I see you made a wise selection there, considering there's nothing left, so please bring it up to the cashier.
Right.
Alright, just put it down there. Alright.
There we go.
Thank you for shopping at VanossGaming Army Surplus. Please come again. We just received a large shipment of shotguns.
Oh, shotguns.
Top the line.
Oh, I want this one. I want this one. Definitely.
Okay, do you need some shells with that?
Yes.
Alright, man. Well, we've been through a lot.
Yeah.
I think there's an old saying where tornadoes never strike twice in the same area. Something like that. I think it's tornadoes, right?
I think it's tornadoes. Tornado destroyed my house. I had to downgrade to this pad.
It's pretty nice, man. I really like it. It's nice and cozy.
At least you know where everything is, you know?
Exactly. It's like, why would you want to walk all the way downstairs to get a beer? You know, you could take a bath at the same time while you're eating breakfast.
I love to poo in this and wash my hands at the same time.
Okay, well, excluding that, it's great. So did you build this with your bare hands?
Yes, I built it. It took me 3 weeks. After last time, I learned how to build a house. And look behind you! Not a fucking
Oh God!
kid!
Get in the house! Get in the house! Get in the house! Get in the house! Get in the house!
Get down! Get down!
We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. No, we're fine. We're fine. Oh God!
I'm gonna die!
Delirious! Delirious!
I'm gonna fucking die! I'm gonna die!
Delirious! Delirious, wake up, man! Wake up!
So at least I can still sleep in my bed. My bed, look. Hey! Put a chair on top of this thing. Be very delicate.
Like facing this way, like this.
Yeah.
Oh God! I see what you mean by being very delicate.
All right. All right. Fuck it. You ready?
No.
3.
No, I'm not ready.
You're not? Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready now, Delirious.
Alright, Vanoss.
Yeah.
I'm cooking. What the fuck?
The lights went out in your house. What happened, man? Are you alright?
I'm cooking.
What are you cooking? I smell that.
It's some, I'm making a pizza. I'm making a pizza, Vanoss.
Why does it smell like gasoline?
Oh God! Oh God! It's burning! It's burning!
Oh no. Oh no, Delirious. No, the pizza's burnt.
No! No!
No, not the pizza. Man, I'm loving this new house. It looks fucking great. It looks
it's
very
sturdy.
stable, very stable.
Perfect against tornadoes. Perfect. Fuck! Not
Go,
again!
get on the elevator, get on the elevator.
God, push
Get on the
button,
elevator.
push button.
God damn it! Stop pushing. Okay, there we go. Okay, come on. All right. Oh God. Oh God. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna die.
No, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Delirious. Delirious, look at me. Delirious, look at me. We're going to make it, okay? Just look into my eyes and believe it. Oh God.
Fuck happened?
Why is your house on fire? We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die, okay? We're not gonna die.
I'm in the
Delirious.
fucking tornado.
Delirious. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Oh, there's a piece of.
Hey. Delirious. Delirious, where are you? Where'd you go?
Landed.
Delirious, catch me. Catch me, I'm gonna fall. Catch me.
I wasn't there to catch you. I'm sorry.
I found your house.
My house is everywhere right now.
It has a raging boner right now.
That's the elevator.
Rest in peace, H2O Delirious. You will be missed.
What? Not me.
Here lies H2O Delirious.
Where does it say that at?
If it wasn't for that man with the shotgun.